Susannah's Kitchen. Today I'm making a Ninja Foodi recipe which is salmon with feta and sun-dried tomatoes, and then at the same time I'm going to be cooking a really nice Mediterranean flavoured yellow rice. So this gives me a couple of tiers. You can add some extra vegetables into this as well if you want. I'm already going to be using some spinach, as I said, the sun-dried tomatoes, but if you want to add in that kind of middle third layer of say broccoli or something like that, then you can do that. This is a steam meal and this is a brilliant function that the Ninja Foodi has to offer. If you've not used it before, I promise you it's really simple and it always amazes me every time. The results are just so good. So often whatever you put in the top layer goes a little bit crispy, gets some nice colour on it, vegetables get really tender, and then your carbohydrate on the bottom cooks so well, and the rice is just so good when cooked using steam meals. So I'm sure you're going to love it. Don't forget to hit the like button for me, and also if you are new to my channel then please do subscribe down below. I've kind of prepped a lot of the ingredients, like I've chopped my onions and things like that already, so we are more or less ready to go. So let me show you how to put all of this together. I'm going to begin by making my rice in the bottom here. A little bit of spray oil, we're on sear and saute, and let's add in white onion. So it's about a quarter of quite a large onion, and I've just obviously peeled that and then diced that. So let's get that in the bottom. We don't want too high a heat, we just want to start softening it. So I'm probably only going to go on to level 3. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to the onions. And now we want to start layering up the spices. So a teaspoon of garlic granules, a quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric, and that's what's going to give it a lovely yellow colour. And then about 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cumin, doesn't need too much of that. And then similar with the paprika, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. You can turn off the sear and saute, there's enough heat in there, and we will just toast those spices, get those combined with the onion. I've rinsed my rice, it's basmati, and that's 215 grams, and you'll see the colour changing before our eyes. Look at that, really beautiful. Now I'm going to prep the salmon that is going to be cooking over the rice. We have still got to add stock to our rice, by the way, but that is coming next. So I'm actually only cooking 1 piece of salmon because I'm going to be having the rice, but I don't like salmon. But this recipe would be for 2, and obviously I'm going to write it up for 2, and I'll tell you the ingredients for 2 because I'm sure you're going to be cooking it for 2. So 2 salmon fillets, a little bit of olive oil, just going to spray a tiny bit over the top. Now I have defrosted some spinach, and this was one of those frozen blocks, so this is 1 block. So if you were doing this for 2 of you, you want the 2 blocks. Okay, so I'm just going to lay my spinach over the top of my salmon, add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, about a teaspoon of, or half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic granules, depending on how much garlic you like. So sprinkle that over. Half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Again, this quantity is for 2 pieces of salmon. There you go. Okay, so we now have some red onion sliced. You want about a quarter of a red onion for 2 people. 30 grams of sun-dried tomatoes. Oh, look at those. Really juicy and pretty. And then we also want feta cheese, and around 60 grams for the 2. Put that over the top. I'm going to kind of squish that down. Doesn't matter that pieces fall off, we're going to dish the whole thing up So I'm just dissolving a stock pot in 500 millilitres of boiling water. Let's tip that in to the rice. And this is cooking as a steam meal. Just make sure your rice is all underneath the liquid, which it is. And then lower over the salmon on the top. We have got a few little extras for the rice when that's done, and I will show you that in a moment. So let's get the lid down. Let's get on to steam meals. So middle section, combi steam. You want steam meals, which is the first one, 208 minutes. Time is up. It smells amazing. Look at that. Love the fact that we've got a nice amount of colour on that feta, sun-dried tomatoes, and then it's oozy underneath. So let's get the salmon out. I forgot to mention that I put in some chickpeas. Now the chickpeas are optional. I had, let me just check, I think it was 60 grams. Yes, it was 60 grams of chickpeas, and they were just left over in my fridge from a can I opened, and I thought, why not put them through the rice? Extra protein and fibre, all good really. Look at this rice. I know it's steaming, but how good does that look? And how quick and simple was this for a dinner? I mean, super, super easy to achieve this one. I've got some parsley and coriander, completely optional. If you've seen my other video, you probably know that I've grown a little bit of a herb garden outside my kitchen. So I quite like to use some fresh herbs in my dishes where I can. Tiny little bit more that was left. Okay, that is looking really good. I'm ready to dish up. The only thing I'm so disappointed about is I planned to toast some pine nuts and put a little bit of a crunch through my rice, and I run out of pine nuts and I hadn't bought them. I thought I had. So if you want to toast a few pine nuts, sprinkle those through. When I write up the recipe, I'll add that in. Obviously I'll put it as optional, but yeah, I just think it's really nice to have that little texture in there. Serving up the Mediterranean-inspired rice, the yellow rice. Look at the colour of it. It looks gorgeous. So loads of rice for 2 people. And then to add on top of there, that gorgeous piece of salmon, you can just wedge it into the rice, scrape off any extra feta and red onions. Let's get those all out of the dish. They go on there as well. And then lastly, I'm just adding a little bit of fresh parsley over the top. Salmon is really flaky. The rice is tender and cooked perfectly. And that is loaded up with spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, red onion, and feta. I really hope you enjoy it. Give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.